Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our financial literacy course. Today, we're asking an important question. Why is financial literacy important? Think about it. Money touches almost every part of our lives. Yet most of us were never really taught how to use it wisely. Financial literacy is important because it gives you control over your money instead of letting money control you. Without it, it's easy to overspend, fall into debt, or live paycheck to paycheck. With it, you can budget, save, and plan for both emergencies and future goals. For college students, financial literacy is especially critical. Many of you are handling money on your own for the first time, whether it's student loans, scholarships, or part-time job income. Understanding financial basics helps you stretch your budget, avoid unnecessary debt, and make smarter choices that set you up for success long after graduation. Another reason financial literacy matters is that it protects you from financial pitfalls. Credit card companies, payday loans, and even scams can trap students who don't understand interest rates or repayment terms. Being financially literate helps you recognize these risks and avoid costly mistakes. But it's not just about avoiding problems, it's also about building opportunities. Financial literacy means you can save for a car, build good credit to rent an apartment, or start investing early for long-term growth. These skills give you freedom, security, and confidence as you move into adulthood. So, why is financial literacy important? Because it gives you the tools to make smart money choices today and the foundation to build a secure future. In our next session, we'll start with the wants and needs. See you then.